JackJackPlays.
And Molly digs. She's going crazy in the sand.
He's helping us.
Crazy dog.
Are you singing it for me? Are you a good dog? Good dog.
Dogs love digging. We should never let her dig in our yard because she's in big trouble. Oh, what a heavy load. Better dump it.
Dolphin won't come out.
You can hear Molly breathing right above the camera. Molly, you're crazy. What you doing?
He's digging off his hole.
She sure is. Molly's a girl.
I'm digging inside. Molly. Molly, you're crazy. Look how deep that hole is. I'll get your lizard out of here. The truck is almost big full. Almost full.
Oh yeah, Jack, you've got that sucker full and nice and smooth.
Oh, did we break? Start digging on the lamb. Mama, dig. I have a lot of dirt. Oh, no. No, Jack. We're dumping in the truck and making a big rice truck.
There's sand flying everywhere.
Stop this. Teamwork. Teamwork. We're big trucks that move heavy things. We're big trucks that move Molly, start digging. We're trying to move dirt. Oh, nice. Leon, flying everywhere. So we
The truck is stuck in that dirt pile Molly made. We gotta pull him out.
Judy. So we are dumping all this dirt everywhere into
Ruth, is Molly a crazy dog?
Yes.
So crazy. That's a pretty weird truck noise, Jack.
Loading all this into the dump truck. I'm making a bigger full dump truck. It has a ramp. There. Look this up. Ramp up here. A big dump. Oh no. And it's a big dump. Dog.
Yeah, dig them out.
Dig him out. Dig. I can't handle this heavy load.
You got it.
I can't. Hold it.
You're loading more? I thought you were stuck. I think he can back up. Watch. There he goes.
I'm gonna bury you with sand. I'm gonna bury you with sand. I can't wait to cook Ruth.
You're gonna cook her.
Why am I gonna cook? He's getting a turn on him. He's dumping it. I'm dumping it. Right over here. Dump it. And dump this heavy load. It's not coming up. I can't.
If it doesn't tip back farther, you gotta scoop it up.
It's a big pile. I'm not burying you.
I think he changed his mind.
I changed your mom. I'm gonna have to have it back.
He's slowly burying her.
He's not getting out.
Oh, are we digging more? Ruthie's a little bit buried now. Hope Molly doesn't decide to dig you out. Now the skid steer,
Skid steer.
the compact track loader.
Skid steer. Stop it, you're stepping on my foot. My knee. You're unburying my knee. We're burying you alive.
Yeah.
Hurry! Oh, your pants are gonna be wet from the wet sand.